Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram error when it is not sending you a code. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to sign up to Telegram, but you just don't receive your verification code, then there are a few things that you need to check in order to fix this issue. First of all, make sure that the number that you are using is the correct phone number that you have placed inside your phone. Just double check your phone number and then try to sign up once again. If your number is correct but you still don't get a code, then make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection first. If your internet connection is also not the issue, then go to the Play Store or the iOS App Store and search for Telegram. If you see an update button within the application, then make sure you tap on it to update the application to the latest version. Once it is updated and you see the open button, tap on it and see if the issue is resolved. If it still doesn't work, you can go back to the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store page for Telegram and then tap on App Support and then tap on their email address to contact them for support. And then you will get a response from Telegram team with instructions on how you can solve this issue. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.